Hello everyone, so today I want to show you how to add code in Airtable base. So first log into your Airtable account. Like here I already logged in. So go ahead and select the base you want to add code to. So click on the Airtable base will be directed to this page. So here just head over to Tools. It's located on the top right bar. Click on Tools. Click on Extensions. Click on Add an extension, the blue button here, and search here Scripting type. In Scripting with search bar, select this extension. Click on Add extension, wait for the extension to be added to your Airtable base. So here it's all set up to use coding. The Airtable base extension has successfully installed. Click on Get Started and click on Start from Example. And here we go. And that's it, guys. You successfully added scripting and coding to Airtable base. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment.